Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Geo SIM is active and in the phone. That's essential. Open the My Geo app immediately and allow permissions when prompted so the app can read SIM details. If you prefer a faster check instead, dial *1#. That gives instant info without the app. Once done, note which method you used. The app shows the number in profile while the UST reply displays it on screen. Keep your phone unlocked for the next step. Now you focus on extracting the number. In My Geo, tap the profile icon or home card. Your mobile number is usually listed near the SIM details. Make sure you scroll if needed. If you use the UST code, the response appears as a pop-up or SMS. Read it slowly and copy the exact digits. Once you have the number, tap to save it into contacts and label it clearly. This prevents future searches and makes sharing or verification with services quick and error-free. Finish by confirming the number works. Call or text a friend, or use a secondary phone to verify caller ID. If the number didn't display in My Geo or UST failed, make sure the SIM is seated correctly. Reboot and reopen the app, or reinstall it to reset permissions. When problems persist, gather your SIM exit and phone IMEI and contact Geo customer care. They can verify ownership and resolve provisioning issues. One tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.